Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning on a HP Deskjet 3520. Now this is useful for resolving print quality issues or freshening up the ink cartridges you currently have installed in your printer. So what we're going to do is, using the control panel on the front left side of the printer, we're going to go down to settings using the arrow keys just to the right of the screen. Now press OK to go in. Then we're going to go down to tools, and then third option down even, we have clean printhead. So press OK to go in. Now this sets off an automated cleaning cycle. It will take your printer a couple minutes, make a lot of noises before it is done. So I'm going to let it do its thing. Now with the clean complete, your printer will pop out a test page, which in this instance is gross because this machine's been sat unused for a good long while. But hopefully yours is looking better than that. Using this page you can hopefully diagnose exactly where the issue comes from, which colour is affected, either replace cartridges or persevere with cleans as you see fit. But yeah, hopefully you found this useful. If you have, chuck us a like. If you have any other questions, do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.